Hey guys, do you like the look of the M3 taillights versus the non-M3 taillights? Well, let me show you the difference really quick. So here's the difference between the two, guys. So the M3 had this part white all the way, and the non-M3 had the yellow marker lights. That's the difference, guys. So what we're gonna do in this video is I'm just quickly gonna throw these on and just show you a before and an after. I'm not gonna show you how to put them on. It's so simple, but I will show you how to get them out if they're stuck. So here is the before, guys. And I mean, this one's like full of water too. And I got both those lights for free off of my parts car here if you're following the project, guys. So I'm on a budget of about $3,000 to get this BMW 100% working and looking absolutely mint, guys, if you're following the build. Okay, guys, so in the trunk here, we basically just took these off. You just turn that, they came off. And then you got 4 8mm screws. So you take all those off, and then you just have to give this a good push because it's kind of like glued in a little bit. And these will just pop right out. Pretty straightforward, guys. So I'm just quickly gonna swap these out and I'll show you a nice before and a wicked after, guys. So here is the before, guys. And I mean, this one's like full of water too. Okay, guys, and there is the after. I don't care what anybody says. That looks 100 times better. Those look absolutely awesome, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out all my episodes on this car, guys. I'm doing lots of crazy stuff on it, guys. Automatic transmission to manual transmission swap. I'm gonna figure out the best headlights for it, buy those. The power windows don't work, as you can see. The engine's leaking oil. It doesn't run very good. Everything will be in the series, guys. I'm gonna have lots and lots of episodes about pimping one of these cars out, and tons of repair videos, guys. So throw me a subscription, a like. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody. She's a beaut. Look at this. So nice. So yeah, it's gonna need some better headlights. It's gonna need a lot of stuff, guys, but she's gonna be nice. Might even do a reupholstering the interior video. All right, guys, till next time.
I love Problem Solver Garage.